Okay, so many of you are there. Okay then, yeah. So civil engineering and electron, no need of Python knowledge. I'm not asking the Python. I'm just asking computer science. That's it. Computer science or computer applications are okay. Okay then, yeah. Yeah. Then MCA, yeah, it is good. MCA is good. Okay, no problem. Okay, yeah, enough, enough. So I got some idea, because based on that I have to continue the subject. Yeah, now the data science is not the field of computer science only. It is the field of so many other fields. It relates to so many other fields. And here, uh, yeah, here so many are from the data science, not from the computer science background. Yeah, I'm coming to that point. I will cover all the things. Yeah, only chatting allowed, because if we allow all of you, it will be clumsy and nobody can understand anything. Yeah, I will let you, I will give you the answers, all of your questions. Yeah, yeah, I'm coming to all the fields. 1 minute. Yeah, yeah. So now what you have to see here, the data science, it is the combination of so many fields. If you have the mathematics background, strong math, actually in the data science also there are several areas. How you want to go in the data science, based on that you have to decide whether you should have the programming knowledge or not. Otherwise, based on your base qualification, you can decide in which field you should go to the data science. Okay, I think most of the candidates are from non-computer science background, so I think it is better to go for, I think this course I can mold for the data science application programming. Data science application programming, so that is suitable for you people. If most of you are, if you are very good in the mathematics and the on the statistics, then we have to deal with the data science and machine learning in different way. But here and another thing, most of the organizations, they are looking for the data science application programmers only. They are not looking for the data scientists completely. Data scientists, they will be in the research areas. But here the data science application programmers, they will be used for any organization who are working on the data science applications. That I will explain you what is the data science and other concepts now. Okay, so because of this reason, if you have little knowledge on computer science, little knowledge, either one programming language, if you have one programming language at least, or database concepts like Oracle or SQL, MySQL, any one of them, if you are good in any one of them, that is enough. That is enough. Okay, so I hope all of you have, I'm giving some options. I'm giving some options. See here. One is the uh, C language. Second is the C, C++, Java, any programming language. That is first point. Second point, the database. I'm showing the screen already. Okay, so second point is the database concepts. That is Oracle or Oracle or MySQL or any database concepts. MySQL, yes, enough. So if any one of these two concepts, if you are having awareness, then you are eligible. Yes, yes, I'm showing the welcome screen only. Okay, okay. I'm not changing the screen. I'm just discussing right now. Okay, I want to interact with you people. That's it. Yeah, yeah, okay, fine. So if you have any one of these knowledge, meaning any programming language or the database or MySQL or Oracle, anything, anyone is there without these two knowledge, these two concepts? No programming, no data science. Anyone is there? Okay. So any others? One, I got one, two. You don't have programming knowledge and also the database concepts, right? Yeah. No, don't reply who have the knowledge, who have the awareness of databases and programming. Don't give the reply. Who have not having the reply, who has not having the programming. See, if you don't have any knowledge of these two, please uh, please join in parallel to the Python regular classes also. Okay, I suggest you that. Yeah. Even if you are a tester, you have a little bit programming knowledge, right? You have the little bit programming knowledge, definitely, for testing also. Am I correct, Ajit? Yes, that's enough. That is enough. What I'm telling, what I'm asking is, who have not completely having the, who are not completely having the programming knowledge? Nil. I'm asking that. Okay, zero knowledge in programming, zero knowledge in, yeah, SES is also okay. Good. Zero knowledge, I'm telling that, zero knowledge in programming, zero knowledge in databases, any database, MySQL, Oracle, any SQL, or anything. Okay. So who are there with this zero programming and zero database concepts? Please join the parallel course for Python also. Okay. Yeah, that is enough. That is enough. 25% is enough. Yeah. Now let us start with the data science concept. Now, what is the data science? Why we should use the data science first of all, and then the definition of the data science. We will see that. Okay, I will answer the questions after this session, please. Okay. Now and then fields. What are the various fields of data science? And who is the data scientist? Who is the data science scientist? Data engineer, data analyst. And then what is the skill set? And the data science team, and what are the activities, steps to learn the data science. All these we will cover, but I will not cover all of them. I will just introduce in the simple way. See here, why data science? Why should we have the data science? Huge amount of data is generated from the last number of decades, right? Very huge amount of data, right? So the examples of the data generators, they are websites, smartphones, stock markets, all these are there. And because of that advancement of the technology, we are generating that so much of data. Today only, the Reliance announced so many advanced components and devices also. So because of that, our data will be, there will be the explosion of the data again because of all these things. So we have to handle how to handle this much of data. So websites, I'm coming to that point. Tul. Okay. So what is data science? What is machine learning? What is the relation between that? What we are dealing with this? Everything I will explain in this session. Right? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm starting with the data science. Okay. Most of the candidates, most of the data scientists, I mean, who are very good in the programming and who are good in the computer science also, they don't have the they are not able to differentiate the data science, machine learning, big data concepts. So that's what I want to give you the clarity. What is the data science? Okay. Now see here. Now let us complete this. Now lots of hidden information is there inside that data. We have to identify that hidden data, and analysis is required for that data to find the hidden facts. And the data may be available in different formats also. So what is that? Meaning that the data may be available in the file format, it may be available in the tabular format, or it may be available in the text format, or it may be available in different other formats also. XML format, JSON format, like this number of formats are there. The data may be available in different formats. Okay, it may be the structured means tabular format, meaning the databases. Semi-structured HTML or XML, and unstructured text data, pure text data. And it is difficult to analyze the structured data with unstructured data. If you have a table and the text, then if you want to analyze these two, it is very difficult. So we have to identify the solution. And analysis of the real-time data, it is also a very difficult task. Let us say, for example, the online data, real-time data, it is very interesting topic, meaning that whenever you give the question immediately, if you are getting the answer, that is the real time. So we have to identify what are the things for the real-time data. Real-time data, how can we handle the real-time data? Okay, running data. So let us say, for example, WhatsApp messages. For the WhatsApp messages, immediately you have to, that has to be identified, and that has to be separated with the spam or the actual message. So whether it may be harmful message or not, we have to identify, and we have to separate it. In the email already it was there. So real-time data, it is also very important. And then big data is another challenging task. And so many companies already started, Facebook, Yahoo, Google, LinkedIn, Amazon is very high level right now. Okay, and so many companies, they have already started with the data science. Cloudera, Hortonworks, they have started already. So now data science, what is the data science now? Let us say in the painless way. So here, these are the various resources of the data. You can see that, you can easily understand that very easily. Here, this is the database. The data may be available in the database format. It may be in the text format. It may be in the files format. It may be in the CSS format, JSON format, and it may be in the XML format, or the data may be from the social media streaming. Continuous generation of the data may be there, and there may be the government rules. You can see that at the bottom there is a globe with various national flags. There is a government rules. Based on the government rules also, it may affect the data. So it may affect the results. Okay, so all these are the various sources of the data. Now the data science, it is like this, and the data science, it can take the data, into it, and it can process so much of process inside that, and then it can produce the data product. The data product is the raw item again. Okay, the data product is the raw item. That raw item, you can utilize that raw item in the another different formats. You can convert that into different forms, and you can utilize that. So this is the various products which can be designed by the product produced by the data science. So it is looking like this. So here, if we take the data science as cow, and it can produce the milk, that milk can be consumed in different ways: directly the milk, or by using the by converting that into cheese, or the uh, other milk products, paneer, or so many things are there. So we can convert that into different formats, and we can use it. Okay, so in this way, this is the simple way of data science concept. Is it okay? Am I with you? Please respond now. Am I with you? Is it okay? Yes. Yeah, good. Yeah, okay, fine. Yeah. Yeah. Now Now I'm giving you the original definition of the data science. See here, number of sources are there, various sources of the data, and the data may be available in various formats, structured, unstructured, and semi-structured, and the data may be relevant or irrelevant also. The data may be available, the data may be useful or unuseful, we don't know, we have to filter it. And the decision maker is there. Without data science, what he has to do is he has to take the entire data all from all the sources. He has to take the decision. For example, company CEO, he has to take the decision. The company management has to take the decision. It is very difficult to analyze this much of data. So what they can do is they can introduce the data science, the art of turning data into actions, and it takes the data and it produces the data product, that is the actionable information. And the data decision maker, he can directly take the data from the data product, and then he can take the decisions very easily. Now what is the data science exactly? Here the data science is the art of turning data into actions by producing the data product. This is the data science. Okay. And then here these are the various examples, recommendations. Amazon, I think most of you are using the Amazon shopping. So in that you will get the recommendations, product recommendations, and most of you are using the social media. In the social media, that is in the Facebook, this person, you may know this person, you may know this person, like that you will get the friend suggestions. All these are the data science products only. Stock market predictions, this is also the data science. So everything is the data science. Weather forecasts, everything. Now about the data science, it is related to so many fields. It closely related with the mathematics, statistics, machine learning. Machine learning is part of the data science, and inside the machine learning there is a deep learning, and the domain expertise is also very important. And then data visualization, to visualize the data, to show the data, and then communication, and then computer science, to speed up all these processes. We should have the computer science. So this is about the data science. Yeah, weather forecasting in the next 2 days, whether it will be sunny or it will be the rainy, we can forecast, we can do it, forecast next level, next 1 hour, what will be happen. Next to tomorrow there is a match, whether that match can be that match will be conducted or not, we can predict that. So all these are the various forms, right? So now this is machine learning is one part of the data science. You have to understand this. And then the scope of the data science, it is measureless: manufacturing, healthcare, finance, biotech, education, sports, telecom, transport, and so many others. Now who is the data scientist, who is the data analyst, and who is the data engineer? I think most of you know about the data engineer. Data engineer is the superior than all the programmers, whoever you know. Am I correct? Data engineer, you are thinking that data engineer is the superior. Am I correct? Yes, data engineer is superior. Now who is the data engineer? See here, for the data engineer, what are the required skills? Data management, database handling, warehouse, big data, file handling, all these are should be the skills for the data engineer. And programming and data visualization is also one of the part. Now data analyst, for him the required skills: MySQL, Oracle, the any programming language, and also Hadoop, the big data handling, all these are required. Now the data analyst, means he should have some concepts of the data engineer, and also he should have some other skills. Deductive reasoning. Deductive reasoning means by using the existing algorithms and tools to compare the current situation with the existing theory. Okay, that I will explain you what is the deductive reasoning. I will explain in detail in the coming sessions. Okay, and then mining, statistics, all these are the required skills for the data analyst. Now he is the data scientist. See the circle of data scientist. He should have more skills of the data engineer and also all the skills of data analyst, the data scientist. And he should have the inductive reasoning, meaning that he should be able to design the thesis, new thesis, and undirected research and design thesis, and multiple resources should be able to handle and find the problems as well as solutions. See, in the data analyst, he has to find the solutions for the identified problems, but the data scientist, he has to identify the problems also. So the required skills, Python, R, Spark, MongoDB, all these are the required skills. I hope I'm with you. Please respond now. Yes. Yeah. Now I'm going to the next level. Now, this is the machine learning. You can find the machine learning here. Machine learning is taking the major part in the data science. This is what you are looking for, right? So if you want to become the data scientist, you should have the big data concepts also. You should have so many other fields. I will give you more clarity in that. Now, for the data scientist, what is the data scientist point of view? What are the skills required for the data scientist? For data scientist, if you want to become the data scientist, you should have two types of skills: intangible X factors and tangible technical skills. Intangible X factors, curiosity, that is the to peel apart a problem and examine interrelationships between the data. You should have the curiosity to know more what is there. And then creativity, you should think in different ways, different approaches. You have to follow different approaches to identify this. So all these are required. And then focus. Focus means you should have the patience. The problem may take weeks, months, years also. So you should have more patience. Got my point? So this is the intangible X factors. This now here the intangible X factors nobody can teach you. You have to build on your own. This is this we cannot learn from anywhere. You have to build on your own. You have to increase the creativity. You have to increase your curiosity and focus. Tangible technical skills you can learn easily. Sure. Okay. Tangible technical skills you can perform very easily. You can learn very easily. He should be able to generate the hypothesis, and the data must be acquired, prepared. All these are the analyzed and acted. All these are the various phases of the data science concept. And mathematics or statistics, computer science, and domain expertise. These three are the required skills. Okay. And then data science, machine learning toolkit or data science toolkit. Here Java or Python. Okay. And then Hadoop, HDFS, MapReduce, Pig, Hive, Scoop, Flume, all these are there. ETL, SQL, RDBMS, SciPy, NumPy, Scikit-learn, Pandas, all these are the required skills. This is a skill set. At least if you have some of them, then you are eligible for the data scientist, right? So I will let you know the another thing. So here the companies are looking like this. Centralized it is an old fashion. There will be one data science team, one data science department. All the departments are communicated with the data science team. The data will be transferred to the data science department and that will be analyzed. That is the old style. So data science department is separate. Here next level is deployed, meaning that some database, some data science team will be deployed in each department so that the communication will be very easy and they can be analyzed. And the next level is diffused. Actually nowadays the company started deployed model. That's why more data scientists are required. In future everyone is the data scientist only. Diffused data scientists are completely embedded within the business units, meaning that everywhere there will be the data scientists. That's why it is diffused. They are looking for this. The companies are looking for this. So data science is very important for future. Now data science team, I don't want to discuss about this at this moment. Next, I don't want to discuss about the various phases also. This with a good animation I will let you know how this process will be performed. I will explain this later, and required skills for each phase that I will explain you later. Now this is important. Steps to learn the data science. If you want to become the data scientist, this is the data science. And machine learning and deep learning, these are looking like two eyes for the data science. And then big data, it is the nose, like oxygen. Without data, you cannot do anything. So big data, it is like a nose, oxygen. It will supply the oxygen for machine learning and deep learning. And in visualization, it has to show this is that, this is the result. To show that, there should be the visualization. So here, this is simply a simple way to understand what is the data science. Got my point? Is that clear? Everything now, till now? Okay, good. Now course structure. Now course structure. Actually, whatever I am showing the course structure here, it will not be exactly the same. I have a little bit changed. That I will take care about that. I'm doing that now. The course structure. The course structure is, first we are starting with language, Python language. There is a Python language. First we are starting with the Python language, and I am not dealing with all the concepts of Python. I'm dealing with only the concepts which are required for data science only in Python. I'm not dealing with in detail about the Python. If you have any other programming language skills, then you can easily understand the Python and you can go for the next level. Even if you don't have the programming knowledge, previous programming knowledge, even though you can continue with this, but you have to little bit work hard. Okay, and as the part of the Python, I will cover the NumPy pandas. These are the special libraries, powerful libraries, which are developed for Python to handle the data sets. And after that, inside that, I will cover the machine learning concepts. I will start with the machine learning concepts. For that, I will use the scikit-learn. Okay, and I did not mention here in this diagram. In this course, what I included is here. I included deep learning also in this course, deep learning concepts. And already I mentioned that I am taking with the practical oriented program. Practical oriented means you will have the hands-on experience. For DL, okay, for machine learning, we will use the scikit-learn library. We will use the scikit-learn library. For this, for the deep learning concepts, we will use the, I will introduce the TensorFlow and Keras. Okay, Keras. So these two will be covered. I'm talking about the tools. I'm not talking about the concepts. I will come to the concepts little bit later. Okay, so these are the tools what we will use, right? And then for executing all these things, we should have some IDEs. Here we will use Anaconda IDE, Spider and Jupyter IDEs. And for once if you enter into the deep learning concepts, this is not suitable for our computers. So we have to go for the cloud. I will explain you how to do that also. Implementation of algorithms, that is completely different. That is in the research. Implementation is different, using is different. Implementation means you have to do the MS program or MSc program, the regular university programs. Okay, that will not be provided in the regular programs, right? This is the practical oriented. You can find the implementation or the concept oriented programs. So you can find the videos in YouTube very easily. So many are there. So many have given the videos free. Okay. R is not required. If you have Python, no need of R. Don't think about R. Python is good. Okay. Now, someone has asked that is it necessary to understand the algorithms first? How much is required? how much understanding is required, that I will provide you. You need not worry about that. Okay, concept wise I will make you clarify. Derivation part I am not going with that. If we go for the derivation part, it will take 1 year or 2 years course. Okay, definitely. And then, yeah, someone asked that the visualization tool, uh, computer vision will be covered. Yes, computer vision will be covered for some concepts, not all concepts of computer vision. It is very vast subject. Okay, in that the we will cover the object detections and identifications, and we will mostly cover the semantic segmentation up to maximum semantic segmentation. It will be covered. Scikit-learn, we will cover the scikit-learn, TensorFlow introduction, and then I will directly take you into the Keras. It is very advanced concept. Most of the companies are looking for that, Keras programmers. Okay. I think most of the questions I answered. Any questions I have to answer? Please repeat the question. My name is Balaram. No, I'm not going for the 1 minute. 1 minute. I think one question was there. 1 minute. I am missing some questions. I am reading the questions. 1 minute, please. Please stop for 2 minutes questioning. I have to answer. Is it necessary to understand the algorithms? First, I answered this, and then cost of the course. You have to talk with the institute. Next, scikit-learn. Yes, we will go for the scikit-learn. Julia, we are not covering that. Next, how is the course that I will explain? Is it difficult? Of course, the data science is difficult, but I will make you very simple. Okay, my name is Balaram. Already I told you that. Yeah, I don't know about that. The Julia is good for machine learning or not. I'm covering the Python concepts. Next thing is after the course, with good hands-on knowledge, can we show some experience for the job call? Because companies are asking only experienced persons. No, don't go for the fake experience for especially for the data science, because it is very serious issue nowadays, because everything is trapped, and immediately they can catch you easily, because the data science is very important field. It will directly affect the business. So don't try with the fake certifications, fake certificates and fake experience. This is my sincere advice. And you just explain that whatever you have the experience, you can mention that experience, and you can say that yes, I practice the data science so that I can handle the problems. You can say like that. Duration of the course is 6 weeks. 6 weeks is the duration of the course. Durga sir is not available. That you have to ask in the institute. Course duration is 6 weeks. Matplotlib is part of the course. Yes. Matplotlib, we are covering the Matplotlib. Yes. Okay. Is the course suitable for the testing professionals? Yes. This is for everyone. Machine learning is for everyone. Machine learning and data science is for everyone. Okay. Python knowledge is not required, right? I'm taking the Python classes, which is required for the data science. If you want to know completely the Python course, then you have to join the separate Python course that I'm not covering, because in 6 weeks we cannot cover more. Okay, in 6 weeks I have to cover the Python, I have to cover the machine learning concepts and the advanced concepts, deep learning concepts, and so many things I have to cover. And you can, yeah, can we do real-time project based upon these knowledge? Yes, you can do that. You can go for the Kaggle competitions, data science competitions. Packages in market, yes, Keras is in the packages. Durga sir is available. I don't know, that you have to ask in the institute. Then Are you covering any real-time project experience? See, real-time project, what is the real-time project? Real-time projects, they cannot be given outside. You have to remember one thing. If any institute or organization are promising that we are giving the real-time projects, don't believe it. Nobody can give the real-time projects because real-time projects are confidential. If the real-time project is out, then their company will collapse. Okay, if anyone is promising that we are giving the real-time projects, they are giving the fake projects. Matplotlib is the part of the data science. Yes, we are covering that. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it is a daily class. That is a weekly 5 classes will be there. Weekly 5 classes. Fee structure you have to call your institute. Yeah. Fee is not my concern. I'm dealing with the subject only. Okay. Yes, material will be provided. I will provide you the textbooks, material, supporting links, and everything I will provide. I can give the assurance. The research papers, everything I will provide. And is there any testing in this course? Testing in this course means what testing? Actually, we will verify accuracy and others that will be considered as the testing, but you have to test with different scenarios. Your testing scenarios will be also applied here. What part of Python will be required? All the data structures you should be familiar, meaning that anyway I am giving the training for that. Whatever required that I am giving, you need not worry. If you have the programming, any programming skills, that is enough. Like control structures, for loop, if statement, and all. If you have that, that is enough. Not only in Python, you can have in the any other language, that is enough. Is everything covered in this course along with the real-time projects? That's what I told you already. Real-time projects are not possible, but whatever the projects, whatever the concepts we are dealing, everything will be with one case study. I don't call that as the project. I call it as the case study. Everything will be with the case study. Okay, and we will not give you the cooked data sets. You will take the data sets from the websites only. Directly you will take the data set and you have to work on that and you have to submit to me. Okay. Titanic puzzle, Titanic program you want, right? You are asking for the Titanic program, right? That is very small program. What we are dealing, in what we are dealing, that is a very small program. Okay. Yeah. How many hours spend every day to learn ML? To learn ML, you have to spend most of the time. Our class will be 1 hour. Okay, sir, please tell what all concepts of Python are covered, are required. I already answered that question. Without experience, a data science will company hire with only the course. Yes, definitely. Because of your previous experience and your capability, it can be taken. Okay, salary package in market. Don't think about the salary package. You concentrate on the subject, automatically that the package will come to you. What if I miss the classes? Recorded sessions will be available. Recorded sessions will be available for the missed classes. Okay, but don't miss all the classes because of video sessions. After the course completion, can we will be able to make one project? Yes, definitely you can make the projects. I will be also in touch with you after the class, after the course also. Companies are asking for experienced professionals. No, no, that is not, I will not agree. Okay. Cost of the cloud. Yeah, cloud, you need not purchase anything. That I will explain you how to use that. By using Kaggle we will use that. Okay, now I will let you explain how to use the cloud. Okay, next one is will there be any videos available? Yes, then record. Yes, recording. Our class will be recorded and later you that will be shared with you. Do we need test the data science? Already I answered that question. Okay. Uh, will these will the be any certification for data science? There is no certification till now. Standard certification, there is no standard certification till now. Okay, math and statistics will cover. Maths and statistics only required basic concepts will be provided, not in detail. Okay, if you want to go for the mathematics and statistical way of machine learning, you have to join the university courses. Yeah, tomorrow onwards we will have the class. Okay, then no problem. Web scraping, yes, I will explain you web scraping example, how to take the data from the web, internet. Timing for the class 9 to 10 p.m. IST. Okay, will you provide virtual mission for practice? Yes, virtual mission we are not providing. I will give you one easy usage of the virtual machine that you will see that you need not worry much. Otherwise, I can tell you. Okay, okay, fine. Which cloud will be used? Actually, we are not using the completely cloud. We will use the Kaggle kernel. Is strong mathematical, yeah, that already I told you. If you want to go for the research, you should have the strong mathematical skills. If you want to go for the data science application developer, you need not have much programming skills. Can you show some practice? Sure. Yeah. Some master course are there with 1 year program. Yes. What is the difference between the small duration of the course? Yes, that's what I am telling you. Yeah. What is the difference between the master course for 1 year, 2 years? Actually, if you want to learn the data science, complete data science, it will take 3 to 4 years. Okay, in these 6 weeks what we are providing you is we are making you to do one project on the data science or machine learning. Okay, you have to in practical way how training will be proceed. Yes, the how the training will be proceed means I will take the lecture and immediately while taking the lecture only you have to execute the programs immediately on the spot. If you have any doubts, you have to share your screen to me. I will rectify your doubts and errors and everything. It is not the part of data scientist. Actually, the web scraping is not the part of data science. It is just to take the data. Only two steps will be there. Do we get any tasks of? Yes, you will have the assignments, number of assignments, and we will provide you the Google Classroom exclusively for your batch. And you have to, I will give you the assignments, you have to submit those assignments, and I will give the gradings for those assignments so that you will understand in which level you are. Can you show me some practice right now? Yes, I will show you. 1 minute. 6 weeks. Yes, 6 weeks. The total course is scheduled for 6 weeks. In these 6 weeks, you will get the practical exposure on that and you will be ready to execute some programs on the machine learning. You will do some projects on the machine learning. Okay. Yes, definitely I will provide you the links for the online courses, free online courses also, which are covering the theoretical part. Yes, it is enough. 45 hours are enough, sufficient, that you will see. And if 6 weeks are not sufficient because you have to execute, my first intention is you should understand. Okay, once if you get understand, then we can proceed to the next level. So the actual schedule is 6 weeks. It may go, I guess it may go around 7 weeks or 8 weeks. 7 to 8 weeks it will take definitely, because everyone has to execute, right? I have to think about everyone, so I have to come down to your level. I cannot share my number. You can talk directly to the Durga Soft people. I cannot share my number right now. Once the class is started, once if you get registered and if once the class is started, I can provide my number. Okay, so I think I answered most of the questions, all the questions now. So here I will cover all these concepts. Okay, now see here, yeah, here I have to change a little bit. Here these two concepts will not cover, and we will not cover these concepts. Okay, instead of them, we will cover the neural networks. This is advanced concept. Neural networks and artificial neural networks, ANN. Okay, and then we will cover CNN, and then RNN. NLP will not be covered. NLP will not be covered. Okay, and then I will at the end I will give you the semantic segmentation also. Semantic segmentation I will provide. Okay, and if time permits, I will provide you the autoencoders and others also. SVM we are not going with that because more advanced concept than SVM we are covering, that is ANN. If you want, I will cover the SVM if time permits. No, we are not covering the any clustering course. Classification algorithms. We are dealing with the regression and classification. In 6 weeks, we cannot cover all those concepts. Yeah, we are taking the Python as the core component for the data science. Do we have clustering? No clustering, no clustering. Yeah. Okay, so I will, and see, whatever you are seeing on the screen, for all these concepts, you will get the theoretical part anywhere. If you simply check, if you type CNN in YouTube, you will get hundreds of videos. Everyone can give you the theoretical part, but practical part, it is very difficult. Even if they give, they may not be executed on your machines. So that's why what we are giving is, we are concentrating much on the practical oriented. We are going with the practical oriented program, completely the practicals. You should have the hands-on. Theory is different, practical is different. I will give you the theoretical base and then I'm going with the practical level. I think you got. Okay. Yeah, some of you have asked me that, can you show me the execution environment? Execution environment we are taking through the Kaggle. Actually, we are taking through Kaggle. In the Kaggle, I will make you to execute the programs. Okay, so see here, this is the way of writing the program. Here I will make you, I will show you these things. Okay, and we can create some more kernels and we can go with several things here. Okay, so here all these are the programs what we have explained for the previous classes. Okay, and they have executed, and how to use this Kaggle kernel and all we will let you know. Okay, I will explain you how to use that, how to create the Kaggle kernel, how to use that, everything we will execute in the Kaggle kernel. Yeah, Jupyter Notebook, it is like the Jupyter Notebook only, yes, but Jupyter Notebook, it is not sufficient because our machines may have maximum of 8 GB or 16 GB RAM. It is not possible to execute all those algorithms on our machines. Don't take that risk also, because at one stage your processors may burn. You will lose your laptop, okay, because of the heavy load. So don't try to execute the machine learning programs on your laptops. Okay, I will let you know which programs you should not execute, that I will let you know. Okay, later I will tell you. So for those programs we will use the Kaggle kernel and others, right? I hope I have provided so many things, and yeah, I want to show you one more thing. Yeah, yeah, one more. We are providing the yeah, I will show you another thing. Yeah, Google Classroom. The classroom that I will show you here, the classes. I will show you the classes. In the previous class. For the previous classes, I will show you here data science class. Here, all these are the data science classes. This is the previous data science class here. This is the Google Classroom, and we have provided the classworks. You see here, all these are the updates. So they are communicating with me directly. All these are communicating with me directly, and the classwork will be provided. See here, these are the assignments and materials which are provided for the last class. See here, okay. See here, all these are the classes. View more, number of things are available. There we have provided so many see here, recorded sessions are also available. Okay, for the function assignment, this is a function assignment. So here assigned to 7 members, 1 member has given the reply. And Python material, in the material we are providing so many things. See here, I am providing the textbooks, related textbooks, and so many things which are related to our course. Okay, for each concept, regression concept, logistic regression, for linear regression, and all these things I'm providing the material and assignments and PPTs, everything, data sets. I have provided the data sets here. Okay, and so many things are available. So you will have the exercises. See here, these are the exercises. So submitted, these are the submitted exercises. You can go with that. So here, this is the submitted exercise, and for this submitted exercise we are giving the marks. Here we will give the marks, you will get the marks also. So all these are happening in this program. Okay, so I think I have given most of the things what I will do. Okay, so any doubts here? How is the session? How you feel about the session? Give me the feedback here only. After that, anyway, the institute people, they will take. That is a different case. Yeah. Give me the feedback about this session. I have not taken much the concept. I have given only the overview. It was good, very good. Thank you. No, I did not visit. Why? Why are you asking like that? I did not visit VIT Chennai campus. Thank you. Good, good. Thank you. Thank you. Is it Balaram and Ravindran? That is not me. If it is Balaram and Ravindran, I am. This is not Balaram and Ravindran. Okay. But in VIT, I have so many colleagues. Actually, I have so many friends in VIT. VIT Chennai, I have so many friends, and we met in one conference, and I got the best faculty award among your VIT and so many other institutions also all over the India. There was one seminar and one workshop was conducted for nearly 45 days. Okay, 45 days they have conducted one workshop. So in that we participated, and I was selected as the best faculty among them. In that, the VIT, from VIT, so many companies they have come, they have attended, companies and organizations, and this also. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay, if you tell some of your some of the name, I can recognize them. Okay, okay. Yeah, okay then. Thank you for listening. If you have any doubts, you can call to the institute. I can answer you. Yeah, Tulsi Prasad. Yes, you can ask Tulsi Prasad. Tulsi Prasad, I know him very well. He is a Telugu man, Telugu person. Yes, I know, I know. I know him. You ask, you ask about me, Tulsi Prasad. He will tell about me. Yeah. He was there in our in that batch. Whatever I said to you, he was selected for one. He was awarded one field. I was awarded for best faculty among all faculty. You can ask him. 1 year back, I think. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Fine. Yeah. I think if any doubts are there, you can ask me now. I think there are no doubts. If no doubts, we can wind up the session. Thank you for listening. Fee you have to ask the institute only. I'm not supposed to talk about the fee structure and others. I think all of you are comfortable with this timing, right? Yeah. Timing 9 to 10 p.m. IST. Otherwise, half an hour later, half an hour, meaning that 9:30. It may be 9:30 to 10:30 is also okay for me. That is depending upon all of our availability. Yeah, okay. Statistical, if you have statistical knowledge, it is good. Otherwise, I will provide you the basics. We will use the dictionary. We will use the dictionary concept definitely. And JSON, we will use the JSON. We will touch the JSON concept. How can we take the data from the JSON file? Once if you take the data, everything is same. If any more doubts, you can ask. Otherwise, you can leave. If you have doubts, you can ask. Otherwise, we can leave. I'm ready to answer here. Yes, XLS, CSV, because this is the basic, right? How to read the CSV, how to read the XLS, how to read the JSON, all these are required. Yes, you can join, no problem. And then once the class is started, we will provide the Google Classroom link. No need of that. You know, in parallel, I will suggest you some courses also. Free courses are available. I will let you know. You can follow them and you can continue in this. No, we are not using any databases. We are not using any databases. These concepts is sufficient for interviews? Yes, definitely. Yes, I'm Hotanook certified professional for Hadoop now. I'm taking the Hadoop concepts, Hadoop Spark also. I'm the Hotanox certified professional. After completing this course, for what position will I get the job? Yes, data science programmer, data science application designer, data science application developer. Definitely. Next. Actually, I have to adjust my class timings. Actually, I have little hectic schedule now. I will take. I will make you train for. I can give the training for the certification also for Hadoop. Yeah. Any more doubts? Okay. Thank you. That they will provide. Don't worry. The tomorrow link they will provide. No need of database concepts. No need of database concepts. Okay. Good night. Okay. You can contact to the institute. Thank you. Thank you for spending time with me. Thank you. Okay then. We are closing then. Thank you.